थेट लोकसभेत जाऊयात. ओम बिर्लांविरोधातील अविश्वास ठरावावर सध्या चर्चा सुरू आहे.
एलओपी हैज गिवन सफिशिएंट टाइम. फिर जब किसी दूसरे मेंबर का नाम नहीं पुकारा गया, हाउस एडजर्न हुआ, दोबारा फिर एलओपी को ही बुलाया गया. और अगर आप समय देख लें कि एलओपी ने कितना समय लिया.
The house sense should be taken. You have majority. The house sense. One minute, sir. 1 minute. 1 minute, sir. Let me complete. Article 95, Article 96. You are quoting Rule 10. Rule 10 cannot overtake the article of the Constitution, sir. So that is why this government has created a constitutional mess. Let me complete, sir. Please. Let me complete, sir. Let me complete. In the last three no confidence, the deputy speaker. That is why I say, first the proceedings are constitutional irregular.
I got it.
No. Let me complete. Let me complete. Sir. Let me complete.
Sir, आप कृपया सुनिए.
Sir,
I have gone through.
Chairman, sir.
I have gone through Article 94, 95,
Chairman, sir.
and I have
Chairman,
already
sir.
seen power of the deputy speaker or other person
Chairman,
to
sir.
perform the duties of the office or to act as a speaker. If you'll go through, I think so. Your answer is
Chairman, sir.
completely.
एक मिनट.
निशिकांत दुबे जी.
बड़े विद्वान आदमी हैं सर ओवैसी साहब. 95(2) क्या कहता है, ये पूरा पढ़े नहीं सर. पूरा मैं संविधान की बात करता हूं. बड़े विद्वान हैं, बैरिस्टर हैं. ये कह रहे हैं सर कि पीपुल द डिप्टी स्पीकर इफ ही हैज आल्सो एब्सेंट such person as may be determined by the rules of procedure of the house. Rules of the procedure of the house ये है सर, जो ये 10 कह रहा है. 10 ये कह रहा है कि जो भी उस चेयर पर बैठेगा, जो हाउस ने पहले से डिसाइड कर रखा है, उसके पास स्पीकर का उतना ही अधिकार है. यही आर्टिकल 95(2) कह रहा है सर.
संसदीय कार्य मंत्री जी.
मैं मानता हूं कि
आप बैठिए. आपको पुकार लिया. आपको
ये मेरा मतलब से जो पॉइंट उठाया गया है, मैं जिसका रूलिंग ऑलरेडी चेयर ने दे चुके हैं. 95(2) का तो रूलिंग आपने दे चुके हैं. रूलिंग देने के बाद भी फिर उसी पॉइंट को फिर से माननीय ओवैसी जी ने उठाया. मैं समझता ये उचित नहीं है, क्योंकि व्यवस्था जो बनाए रखा है हमारा सदस्य निशिकांत दुबे जी ने जो बताया, उसका तो रूलिंग आपने दे चुके हैं. अब ये रूलिंग देने के बाद, इस रूलिंग देने के बाद जो डिप्टी स्पीकर हो या मेंबर ऑफ जो पैनल ऑफ चेयरमैन का अथॉरिटी ऑलरेडी वेल डिस्क्राइब्ड है. मैं समझता हूं कि ये आवश्यकता नहीं था ये पॉइंट उठाने का. इसलिए जो रेजुलेशन यहाँ लाया गया है उस पर हम लोग का चर्चा शुरू हो जाना चाहिए.
केसी वेणुगोपाल जी.
Very pertinent point relating to the constitution is raised here. When a removal of speaker's motion is taken up, it is very clear in Article 96, speaker cannot sit in the chair. The actions of the speaker also cannot be admitted by that point of time. You are appointed by the speaker of the Lok Sabha. You are sitting there as the panel of chairman appointed by the speaker of the Lok Sabha. Here, this is not our fault. Last 7 years, around 7 years, the government is not ready to appoint the deputy speaker itself. That is very big. Sir, 93. Sir, Article 93. The House of the People shall, as soon as may be, choose 2 members of the House to be respectively Speaker and Deputy Speaker thereof, and so office of the House of the Speaker or Deputy Speaker become vacant. Sir, this is the situation, sir. Immediately after the election, Speaker and Deputy Speaker to be elected. Last 7 years, you are not elected as Deputy Speaker. You created a constitutional vacuum. You created a constitutional vacuum, sir. Sir, who will win that? Therefore, this question is very clear. Article 96 is very clear. Therefore, the House has to... Sir, my submission is, sir, the House has to select a person to sit in the chair. Sir, then they can conduct.
आप बैठ जाइए. स्वागत राय जी.
Please read 95(2) with me. During the absence of the Speaker from any sitting of the House of the People, the Deputy Speaker, or if he is also absent, such person as may be determined by the rules of the procedure of the House, or if no such person is present, such other person as may be determined by the House shall act as Speaker. So the main question is, Speaker is not there. Speaker is not there. Deputy Speaker has not been selected. So such other person as may be determined by the rules of procedure of the House. Has such other person been determined by the rules of procedure of the House? You are just going and sitting there. But they have not been decided, finalized by the House. Let there be a motion moved by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister.
Sri
Let
Ravi
him
Shankar
propose
Prasad ji.
that Jagdambika Baldi.
Sri-
Otherwise you cannot sit.
सर, बड़ी विनम्रता से मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि किसी भी अगर प्रावधान को पढ़ा जाता है तो उसको पूर्णता में पढ़ना चाहिए। मैं 95 क्लॉज 2 को फिर पढ़ना चाहता हूं। ड्यूरिंग द एब्सेंस ऑफ स्पीकर फ्रॉम एनी सिटिंग ऑफ द हाउस, द पीपल, द डिप्टी स्पीकर ऑफ ही इज ऑल्सो एब्सेंट, such person as may be determined by the rules of procedure of the house.
एबीपी माझा, उघडा डोळे बघा नीट.